Yeah, yeah, tell them.
Don't you know the water's filling my lungs? Yeah, the water's filling my lungs, and I'm dying slowly.
I'm dying slowly.
Just jump in the water, full head, yeah.
Full head, yeah.
I don't wanna waste time.
I don't wanna waste time
when I am in danger.
in danger.
Jump in the water, don't waste no time.
Don't waste no time. I said don't waste no time.
I bet that you don't know a damn god thing, but you are still trying. So that's something I'll give you credit for. Wherever you are, I wanna be right there too. I don't care if the water's going to kill me. Wherever you are, I wanna be right next to you. You are the time. The water feeling my, it's feeling my lungs. Nowhere and nowhere to escape, but I'm not going to give up. So you don't get it, don't you dare look at me, because I'm not going to give up. No, no, I don't want you to go. I don't want to be the same for now. I don't want to meet the same fate now.
Don't make me cry.
Some people just don't know the half of it, yeah. But they're still miliping you. They don't even know your story. The water's filling our lungs to deep darkness, yeah. Yeah. The water's filling my lungs. My eyes are starting to close. The darkness just around, all around. Nobody can tell me where to go. I don't want to stop now. You said I should focus on me, but I can't do that now. You should say I should focus on me, but you are not focusing on yourself. So why you're telling me what to do when you're not doing the right thing? Just stay out of my business. I mean, my business stay to itself. I don't wanna get you back right here. The water's filling my lungs, but I will survive.